Hi guys, it's Chris with marketaliasm.com. Welcome back to another great video. Today I'm gonna show you an app on where you're gonna play a game, and once you collect enough points you can reward by paying in your PayPal account $15, and you can do it over and over. Once you have enough points, just reward it in your PayPal with real money, 15 USD, over and over again by just playing a game on your phone. So before we go ahead and start this video and show you exactly how this works, I would like to ask you, if you haven't already, go ahead and click the subscribe button following the right side of this screen, because it will be a great honor to have you on my channel. So with no further ado guys, let me go ahead and show you the application that I'm talking about. The app is called Fish for Money, and it's available for both iOS and Android. I'm gonna leave a link below the screen so you can get it from there. It's gonna bring you to this page where you're gonna get directly from the Play Store or iOS store. And once you download it, guys, it's very nice. You're gonna be playing a game. Let me show you how it looks a little bit. Once you have it on your phone, it's gonna be look something like that. And once you collect enough points, you will be able to cash out on your PayPal account by either by Amazon card or PayPal account. You choose what is more convenient for you or how you like to get paid, and that's it. It's very fun, guys. It's a fishing app. There's a little bit tricks there. The bigger the fishes you get, the more money you are gonna get. Some of these fishes are, if you get it, they're gonna be a little bit more less money. Actually, it's gonna be less money, a little bit more trouble to get to fish again, because they're gonna have you to see some advertisements and so on. But that's all about. It's still a game. You play, you get some money on the go. From the link I'm gonna leave you below, guys, I also would like you to check the company that makes these apps. It's called apps.pay.co, so you can directly come from here as well. These guys also have some surveys that you can check out, and with the first survey to guarantee you 6 USD just for completing, again both for iOS and Android. So there you go, you have two nice options on this video: playing a game, getting 50 USD, and go ahead and complete the survey for a guarantee 6 USD dollars. So this is what I want to show you guys today, a very easy, simple way on how you can make some money by just playing a game on your phone. Fish for Money is the name. If you want to look it up, or click the link below, bring you to this page. Download the app as well, so you can have the survey completed for 6 easy dollars on your account. This is what I want to show you guys today. Very simple, very fast. Let's make some money together. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and click the subscribe button, because I would like to have you on my channel. Together we can make some fun, easy, free ways to make money from the comfort of your house. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you like the content of this video. If you did, don't forget to click the thumbs up and leave me a comment below to tell me what you think. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.